picture in a frame. The picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 3 by 10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? Okay, let's start this solution, my dear student. Here we are given the width of the picture. So first let's note down width of the picture, that is we are given 7 3 by 5 centimeter. Okay, please note down. So 7 3 by 5 centimeter, we can write it in a fractional form. 7 5 35, 35 plus 3 38 by 5 centimeter. Once again look at your screen. Here the width of the picture we are given 7 3 by 5. This is in a mixed fraction, so we are converting it into 7 5 35 plus 3, that is 38 by 5 centimeter. Now the question further we are given the fit in the picture. The picture cannot be more than 7 3 by 10 centimeter wide. Means it should be not exceed to this limit. So we are asked how much should the picture be trimmed. So we need to find here, we need to mention width of the picture to be trimmed. Width of the picture to be trimmed. For that, what we have to do, we need to subtract, dear student, here. Okay, from which number? Here we are given 7 3 by 5. We are subtracting 7 3 by 10 from it. Okay, there are two options. Either you can convert it into mixed fraction this way. If not, then you can take out 7 common and then simplify. That is also a technique. Okay, whatever you feel comfortable to go with that, you move with that. Okay, now here you can see what I'm going to do, as I already converted into fractional form. So it is 38 by 5 minus 7 10 just 70 plus 3, that is 73 by 10. Got it? Now dear student, what is LCM of 5 and 10? Without calculating also you are able to say LCM of 5 comma 10, it will be 10. Okay, if the LCM will be 10, then I need to multiply this 5 with 2 and this 10 with 1. Got it? So what do I have here now? With the same number I am going to multiply this with 2. Okay, 38 2 ja 38 2 ja 76, and this is 73 because 73 1 ja 73, and denominator in that LCM 10. Now what is the subtraction? 76 minus 73, that is 3. So it is 3 by 10 centimeter. So the answer we need to mention, the picture which we have to trimmed, its a length will be, its a width will be 3 by 10 centimeter. This is the solution. Here little bit explanation I am giving for this width of the picture which we have to trimmed. That's why we need to subtract from this number to this number. So first I am converting them, both of these number I am converting into fractional form. Okay, that is improper fraction. Then I have taken the LCM of 5 and 10. LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. So I need to multiply this 5 with 2. 5 2 ja 10. And here 10 with 1 because 10 1 ja 10. So here with 1. With the same number I am multiplying this. 38 into 2, 76. 73 1 ja 73. 76 minus 73, that is 3 by 10 centimeter. This is the solution. So here question number 7 on your screen. Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. how much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the larger share? By how much? My dear student, there are two persons. One of them is Ritu and another is her brother Somu. Okay. Now, before we proceed for this, let me give you one thing clear about. Let me clear you one thing. This is the apple. Apple, the full apple we are considering as a whole, that is whole apple. Okay, the apple, this full complete apple we are considering whole apple. Okay, whole apple indicate that how many parts, that is full one by one part means one by one. Okay, clear? Now how much part is eaten by Ritu? We are given the part of an apple. We need to mention the part of an apple eaten by Ritu. Eaten by Ritu. How much part? How much portion he is eating? She is eating 3 by 5 of the 3 by 5 of the whole. 3 by 5 part of the whole apple. Okay. Now the question is, remaining part has been eaten by her brother. We need to find how much part of the apple Somu eat. So we need to mention here the part of an apple eaten by Somu. Part of an apple eaten by Somu. How to calculate this? As you know, dear student, the whole, as I explain you, this full apple, that is we are considering whole. This is WHOLE, whole means full part, full, complete. So it is one full part, one minus the part which has been eaten by Ritu, we are subtracting from it. So it 1 minus 3 by 5. So can I write 1 by 1 minus 3 by 5? So LCM of 1 and 5, it will be 5. So I need to multiply this number with 5 and this number with 1. Now with the same number, I am going to multiply the numerator. 1 into 5, 5. 3 1 ja, 3 upon LCM 5. So my dear student, here answer is coming 2 by 5. Clear to you? So the part of an apple eaten by Somu is 2 by 5. Okay. But what we are asked in the question, here some additional question is there in that. Who had the larger share and by how much? So we need to find that also. Let's work out upon that. Who had a larger share? The part eaten by Somu is, the part eaten by Somu is, that is 2 by 5. Okay. Now, in the next question, they are saying who had the larger share? 3 by 5 is larger or 2 by 5 is larger? Of course, 3 by 5. And who is gaining 3 by 5 part? That is Ritu. So, Ritu has a larger share. Ritu has a larger share of the apple. Clear? And how much? By how much? By how much it means difference. Okay. By how much means we need to find difference of both of this part. Means 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. The part of an apple eaten by Ritu and part of apple eaten by Somu. We have to find it's a difference. So, my dear student, here 3 minus 2 divided by 5. So that is coming 1 by 5. This is our third solution. In the first question, it's a solution according to that. This is the first solution. That is the answer. Part eaten by Somu 2 by 5. Then whose part is larger? Ritu has a larger share. Second answer. And third is 3 minus 2. So it is 1 by 5. That is the difference. Here, full sum. Question number 8 of exercise 2.1 is, Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hours. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hours. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? Okay, so let's start the solution. First, we are going to note down Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hours. It means in a statement form we need to write time taken to color the picture. Time taken to color the picture by Michael. By Michael. Michael. Okay, Michael. That is according to this 7 by 2 hours. 7 by 12 hours. Okay. So here I am mentioning 7 by 12 hours. Second, time taken by Vaibhav. Time taken to color the picture. Time taken to color the picture by Vaibhav. By Vaibhav. That is, what is that by Vaibhav? That is 3 by 4 hours. Okay. 3 by 4 hours. Now, who worked longer? If we want to judge 7 by 12 and 3 by 4, but how can we judge which fraction is bigger? For that, we must convert them into like fraction. So, my dear student, here it is 7 by 12 and another is 3 by 4. So, let me convert them into like fraction first. Okay. Now, to convert them into like fraction, the denominator must be similar. So, we need to work out on LCM. LCM of 12 and 4, if you find, then it will be 12. Okay. How it is 12? I am showing you here. Just look at your screen. Here it is 12. This is 4. We know that it will go with 2 first. Then here it will be 6. And here it will be 2. It will be again divisible by 2. So here it will be 3 and 2 1 jar 2. It will be divisible by 3, then 1 1. So my dear student, you can see the LCM is coming 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3, that is 12. That's why I have written 12 here. Now here you can see here 12 is already there. So I need to multiply this fraction with 1 and this 4 will be multiplied by 3. In a small writing I am mentioning for your better understanding. Whatever the number I have written, with the same number you need to multiply the numerator. 7 1 ja 7. 3 3 ja 9. Now 4 3 ja 12. So 1 by 1 multiply the numerator with the same number. Now these are the like fraction. They are 7 by 12 and 9 by 12. Now it's very easy to judge easily which one is the who worked longer. Who worked longer? Of course this 9 by 12. 9 by 12 means 3 by 4. This is longer, correct? This is longer hours. So it means that 3 by 4. It means who is that fellow? That time taken by complete the picture in 3 by 4 hours. That is Vaibhav. That's why, dear student, we need to write here. First, I am writing one more thing here. It indicates that 7 by 12 less than 3 by 4 is here 3 by 4 is related to Vaibhav. Therefore, who worked longer? I need to write Vaibhav worked longer. Vaibhav worked longer. Please note down Vaibhav worked longer. Now, what fraction? What fraction was it longer? For that, we need to find the difference. Means we need to subtract 3 by 4 means 9 by 12 minus 7 by 12. Get it? Please complete up to here. Then let's see the next step. So dear student, we want to find the fraction What fraction was it longer? It means the difference of both of this. Okay. So it means that a difference equal to, I need to find difference equal to, that is, you can see 9 by 12 is the bigger. We always subtract small fraction from big fraction only. Now 12, similar like fraction, 9 minus 7, that is 2 by 12, right? 2 by 12 can further simplified as 1 into 2 and 2 into 6. 2 cancel. So the answer is 1 by 6 and unit is R. So my dear student, the final answer, the difference of this is coming 1 by 6 R. Okay, so final answer I am mentioning here now. So in a statement form, we need to write here by what fraction was it longer? It is 1 by 6 longer. It is 1 by 6 longer. This is the complete solution of the question number 8. Clear to you?